Hi everyone, welcome to Floetrol by Christine. Okay, so I'm going to try a high flow painting on this 16 by 20 canvas using black as a negative space and a bunch of different metallics. So the colors are Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Artist Loft Silver, and Artist Loft Flow Gold. Okay, this is a little bit of a deeper gold than what comes in the tube that says gold. I think it's called Old Gold, and it's really light. So I wanted something that would be able to stand out through the black, because in the little experience I have with black negative space, black, once it dries, darkens everything up. So in this mix, I kind of did my normal type of mix, and I didn't weigh it out, but I feel like it's about my normal mix, maybe a little bit more paint to Floetrol. I did wind up adding water to the copper because it felt really thick for some reason. So it's still pretty thick. So I don't know if this paint is going to be, this is kind of an experiment. And I'd like to do this painting, if it turns out, this is kind of a trial painting on a bigger canvas, much bigger than 16 by 20. So I'm going to just see how the colors work and, you know, tweak it for the bigger canvas. So hopefully this turns out pretty good. I'm not going to talk through this because it's very experimental for me, and I'm just going to, you know, let you guys watch, and I'm going to see how it goes. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys, I'm really happy with that. I really cannot believe that it just like was that easy. And this is what I did different, was I just put a crap load of paint before I even started using the blow dryer. I'm gonna bring you guys in from this angle, and all I can do is hope and pray that it does not dry too dark. I would love for it to dry just like this, but black takes over from underneath, and so that does worry me a little. But these are metallics too, so maybe that will help after it dries. I will be showing you guys this painting dry at the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a little different, and I can see that there is some lacing happening from the Floetrol. I did not put any kind of silicone in this. I used Floetrol and paint, and in the copper I had to use a little bit of water. So the cells are natural development, probably from the Floetrol or whatever. So I'm gonna bring you guys around to see it from this angle, and I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, hi everyone. So here it is dry. It dried perfect. I just love it. The silver is super silvery, and the copper it's just so perfect. And it's got little wispies and effects throughout it, and this little cool area right there. Right there, it almost looks 3D-ish, but like, I don't know. And the combination of colors, it's a nice, different, it's different. So anyway, I'm really pleased with it. And I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and happy pouring.